Come on. Let's go. Thank you. Ooh. Guys, we're about to swim. Yes, you know,
This is my family.
Salamat pagi. Wow, Indonesian na. Ay, Balinese ata yun. It's different, diba?
I think so.
Yeah. Good morning, Danny.
Good morning.
It's our last day. And parang bittersweet na siya kasi parang na-in-love na ako sa place. Nakaka-relax. Ngayon, chill-chill na lang kami. I think so. So, breakfast muna tayo. American breakfast. Actually, wala naman kasi ibang choice. So, yan yung pinili ko, guys. We have poached eggs and sausage, bacon, beans, and bread. This one, I think, is hashed potato. Ayan. And then fruits. Hindi ko natapos yung coffee ko kasi inaatake na kami doon ng mga wasps tsaka bees. Ang dami, guys. Ayun. Akala ko nga simpleng langaw lang. Buti sinabi ni Danny na na wasp. Nakakatakot. Kaya hindi ko nga natapos yung coffee ko. Hindi namin natapos yung breakfast namin. Pero okay na. Pwede na yun. Walking again. Oh my gosh. Meron silang mga offering daw for their gods ba?
They worship nature.
Morning. Morning pa ba? Yeah. Tunaw ang kinain.
Villa 49 to 78. Di ang dami pang villa, 78.
Oo nga, no?
Akala ko 65 lang yung villa. Yung camera ba na yan? Nagsastabilize siya.
Oh, 20 na to.
Kasi na 12. Tapos nagbagi na tayo.
Grabe, layo na nilakad namin, guys. Woo! We're here. Villa Karuna. Ganda dito pa. Ganda dito.
Yes, we're here and today is day 3.
Wow!
Then you have your spa, and then after we have the closing ceremony, which is a short soul skin
Yes.
I know more
reflecting
yoga.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have a yoga instructor, pure Balinese.
Cleanser.
Oats, sugar, and Cetaphil.
Alright. So, if you guys could just pass it around first, you will need 2 scoops, like 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of the oats, and then I'll show you later how to layer the Cetaphil, but we will need about 2 layers of Cetaphil.
How many? 2.
Yeah. So this one is very good for exfoliation, and again, your makeup will be taken out.
Yung oatmeal is nice for inflammation. So sometimes you feel that your skin is okay, but later when you see it inside the skin analyzer, you'll realize that you're already showing some signs of redness. That means there's a little bit of inflammation for your skin. So the oatmeal will help. So if makita niyo yung sa mga imported products, diba, they're on oatmeal, whatever, diba? The secret is in the oat. It's because of that. And in people with eczema or with skin diseases, ang binibigay talaga sa kanila yung mga may oatmeal kasi it really helps the inflammation of the skin. So your do-it-yourself would be just your normal average oatmeal with a little bit of sugar, and then there's Cetaphil.
And
it
your
has to
Cetaphil
be-
gentle skin cleanser.
But it has to be rolled oats. Hindi
Yeah, that's necessary.
Pwede instant. And then after this, pwede na namin siya kainin.
Actually, it will look like that.
Pwede pa lang set of
Ikaw hindi ka masasali.
Kapatid ko pa lang.
Pero sasali ko si Monica.
Ang tagal niyo nag-makeup yata. Makakuha naman.
Pour some Cetaphil skin cleanser onto your oats and brown sugar.
Just gonna makakawag ka sa video niya.
Just Just make sure it's fully covered.
Okay.
Just be generous with your skin cleansing.
For that. Oh my god, it looks like...
Ang dami ko ikakatuloy dito.
At least make sure it's covered. I think yours needs a little bit more.
More pa?
Yes. Just make sure that it's all mixed well.
Try.
So it looks like chocolate.
Correct. Yan. So,
Makeup.
yes. Oh my
Just start
god.
rubbing it on your face. Start exfoliating.
Sarap ba?
Bango na sugar.
You know, after this, because I tried this yesterday, you could really feel that your skin will firm up.
Can you cancel the sounds here?
Yeah.
Oo. Lagyan na lang yun ng music. Low bat na siya. Kasi itong si Michelle kasi paghira eh. I'll have to search. Yeah, you have to search. Pero it's still...
Talagang ano na lang.
And
Mas mahal yung
and get the
face.
award for best exfoliation.
Yeah.
Oy, nag-records. Let's check. Is it there?
Mga bloopers ulit na ako, Dani.
Tapos yung pala, chinichika lang kami ng itong mga to, no?
Hoy, grabe siya.
This one.
Nasa Watson Well, you can do this for like about 5 minutes. That should do.
Thank you.
Ako nga din, please. Sige, wait. Ala, girl. Pati lieg na ako.
Lumikit kasi
Kailangan ba sa exfoliation si Anta
Pagkasa mo na lang ah.
How does it feel? What do you think about the texture?
It feels so smooth. Yeah.
Feels really clean. Alam mo yun? Oo.
Ang galing. Ang galing naman.
Magaganyan din ako, guys.
Wrinkle
Wait nyo.
processing.
Yeah, it's Danny's turn. Mamaya ako na. Tapos si Michelle. Yan. Okay, pasok na tayo, guys.
Think of happy thoughts. Smile! But it's okay. Sige, you can open.
Yan na, guys. Hindi kinaya. Hindi kinaya ng machine.
Ayan, your pores are slightly large. In terms of wrinkle, in medyo meron. If we move towards the top part of your forehead, you see it. We move towards under your eye. Not so, it's okay pa. Cheeks and your pores. May a little bit of redness.
Yes. Dami akong redness.
But there's sebum more on the nose. Doon ka ba oily?
T-zone.
T-zone. So yan. And here, a little bit here. Hyperpigmentation yan. Still
Hindi
around-
ako oily?
Siguro kasi kakawash mo na ng face. But nakikita niya sa nose eh.
Sa
Ito
nose
kagad
talaga.
to.
Yeah.
But here, ayan, hyperpigmentation around the nose. Probably because yun nga, medyo red ka now. And then around the eyes. So this is standard lapit na. Red, konti lang, may pagka-inflamed lang. So baka you're using some harsh,
Yeah, nag-whitening ako.
that's why. Okay, okay. Nag-whitening ka. Makes sense. Here's the 3D mapping of your skin. So for example, you want to 3D map this one. Yan. You see the redness kagad, di ba? There. Sa may nose. And then if you move here sa chin. Yung lips mo. Yan. And you blemish ka ng konti dyan. Kaya kita mo yung 3D mapping, lumulubog siya. So ano ba yung pimple ba yung before?
Yeah, dito ko
Yours
lagi
mo?
may pimple eh.
Ah,
Ditong area na
when
to.
you're about to have your period, that's common naman. It's called face mapping. Normally, if you have pimples here, it's a cause of hormones. So you're not your period.
Selfie. Nakasunod. Para selfie na to. Hey guys, tapos na kami sa sa workshop. Pero good thing kasi local, puro kami lang nandun. Kaya so, parang lang siya kwentuhan. Ganyan. Ayun, meron pala nung skin analyzer sa MOA next week. So every day, tama ba here? Every day, sa Watson's? Yeah, sa Watson. So every day meron doon for 1 week. And then the next week sa market. So kung gusto niyo subukan, kasi okay siya para ma-check niyo yung condition ng skin nyo. Parang gumanda nga yung skin ko, girl. Mas maganda pa kaysa nung naka-foundation nung kanina. Oh, yun yung effect nung Cetaphil, oatmeal, and sugar, brown sugar. Ang ganda, diba?
7.
We're lost.
Maintenance na. Ba't dito kasi tayo dumaan? Dapat ito ganun.
Parang naalala ko kanina, pumasok tayo dito, but hindi ba tayo dumaan here?
Yeah, parang dumaan tayo.
56?
No, I don't think so. Hindi tayo dumaan dito.
Hindi tayo dumaan dito.
Iba na to.
I think dito. Kasi dalawang pababa yung
Lost.
natin.
Ayun. Oh, hindi. Mga papuntang 71. Ano na yan, no? 78.
Reception.
That's too far. Balik tayo doon.
Kailangan na ng sistema namin to, guys. Masyadong healthy yung mga pagkain nila. Kain tayong pizza! Finally.
Actually, sa na to, healthy pa nga rin eh. Kasi thin crust.
Oo nga. Guys, super lalim. As in. Wait, tingnan niyo, lulubog ako Taas pa sa height ko. Ito na ang pinakahihintay. Ay guys, thank you ulit ha. Alam ko ilang beses na ako nag-thank you, pero thank you sa sa likes.
Is this tea? Tea and what is this?
The watermelon.
Oh, watermelon.
Nice.
Would you like to fill in? Yes, thank you.
Come on.
Let's go.
Thank you. Ooh. Yung tsura ko. Oh my God. Sarap. May...
Sarap na sanang matulog dire-diretso.
True. Dapat gabi talaga yung schedule ito.
Okay.
Meron pa kaming yoga. Tingnan mo yung mga lakad namin para kaming mga... Sarap. Pero kailangan makadalaw ako sa beach. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta dun sa beach. Ay, may nakapunta kami kagabi. Kaso wala nang madilim na, diba? Parang hindi na ma-enjoy. Sana makahabol pa kami. Pero ang sarap ng ng massage nila. The best. Maliban sa okay yung ambience. Ang swerte nga ni Danny, ocean view yata sa kanya. Ocean view yata yung room niya, oo. Nag-change kami ng yoga outfits kasi yan, may yoga session kami. I think yun yung last activity. Yun yung last natin for today. Girls, ready? I'm gonna bring this pala. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Ayan. We're gonna bring this with us. Ayan, yung mga gamit for yoga. Ang mantika. Ang mantika ko. Nakakaloka.
Yung balat ko eh, oh. Galing sa ano?
Para lang tayo tanning lotion. Okay, guys, ito na. We're gonna do yoga.
I want you to be as uncomfortable as possible.
seafood.
So, parang seafood. So, this is seafood.
Yeah.
Yung parang sa white
Appetizer
na
to,
clam.
guys.
Yun siya.
Yes, I think you're all tired na. Am I right? Wala na guys, pagod na kami. Parang wala na to. Yung collab na pinlano namin, wala na rin.
Hindi, pero lagi naman kami magsama sa
Oo.
vlog. Kung hindi pa naman collab yun, ewan ko na lang.
Araw-araw na nga eh.
Correct.
Medyo may nangyari kasi. Medyo may nangyari. Medyo napasarap yung inom namin ni Michelle.
Alam mo, medyo natumaan ako mga msi.
Oo, ako din. Sarap nga eh. Kaya nga gusto mag-swimming eh. Ito yung ininom namin. Sauvignon Blanc. Kasi! Ah!
Go! Guys, we're about to swim! Yes! Ayan o, pack! Swimsuit! Yes! Yes! Wala namang ilaw dito. Yes! Woo! Ang ilalim! Malalim! Malalim pa ito! Yes! Lalim! Guys! Tara na! Swim na! Yes! Woohoo!
Turbo. Kaya, ayun, pahinga muna siya. Much better. Oh my gosh, nakita niyo yun? Yung mga insekto. So anyway, we have 2 hours